In this video, I'm going to go through the web overlay features within the YoloBox Extreme and how to set it up. First things first, you need to be connected to the internet for this to work. Next, come into your show, head over and click on Add Video Source, go to Web, and type in the URL that you need. In this case, I am going to the YoloLive site. And now your web page appears as a source in your live stream. I'm just going to make the screen a little bit bigger here. You have full control over this website and what happens on it in terms of what you want to display on your stream. This little hand icon here allows you to go into your website page here and scroll up and down. Click through pages. I'm going to go to the YoloBox Extreme web page. And this functions fully within the live stream. And I'll just come back down to the bottom here where there is a little door and an arrow. Come back out of there. And now I can control my other video sources again, all from here. But if you do want to go in and just find the web page that you want as part of the site, you do need to come into this section here. And you will temporarily lose control of the stream and what devices you want to switch to, just due to the nature of how this is. But the reality is that you don't need to have another laptop set up or another computer set up in order to bring in an external web page. You can do this all right within the YoloBox Extreme itself. It is publicly available web pages, so this isn't going to work for local intranet ones unless potentially you're on the same network, but I've not tested that, so don't hold me to that one. You can only add one web page per live stream show. By that I mean what you have set up here. So if you go to your plus icon, you'll see this web is now grayed out. If you want to bring in an additional site, then you have to go and delete this source and start the process all over again. But still, you don't need to have an additional laptop ready to go with an external website source if you want to bring that into your live stream. And I think that is a great feature to have. And if you have videos as part of that website, then they will appear as an audio source that comes in, and you can play those videos through the website, through your live stream, and out to whoever's watching. As a practical demonstration to get a web URL video playing, we're going to add our web source. And now we're going to go into the website itself, turn off the mid-year sale, but always good to have a mid-year sale. We're going to go to the YoloBox Extreme page, and we're going to go watch intro. And then when you want to stop your video, just hit the pause button as you would, come back out of the control menu, and there you are. Nice and simple, easy way to play videos from a web URL on your YoloBox Extreme. One thing to note here on the web source is that it is not one of the recorded sources. So if we come over to the recording tab here, it is not enabled as a recording source. Recording sources are only the HDMI inputs. So YouTube recommends that if you have made it this far, that you watch one of these videos. And if you've got any questions about how this was all put together, please leave a comment down below.